you bored of usual keto snacks and want something new? Don't you worry guys, we are back with an amazing recipe that will soothe your taste buds. Hello and welcome back to Coder's Cookbook. Today we are going to share an amazing recipe of keto dumplings, or some of you might call it keto dim sums or keto momos. Let's get started. For this recipe, we'll be needing butter, ginger garlic, finely chopped. Our next ingredient is cabbage, which is very important for this recipe as it will be used for covering as well as the stuffing. Here we have shredded cottage cheese, coriander leaves, finely chopped green chili, and finely chopped onion. Also few cheese slices. Now let's start this recipe by first taking a bowl. Add cabbage leaves into the bowl. I'll peel it one by one just like this. We'll be using these leaves for wrapping up our momos instead of all-purpose flour. So just carefully peel the cabbage leaves. Till the time I am peeling the cabbage leaves, go and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. After you have peeled the leaves, we will take a bowl and add some water to it. We'll add 1 teaspoon of salt to the water and then add cabbage leaves so that they can get boiled. Till the time our cabbage is getting boiled, we will quickly make momos chutney. For that, we'll be needing 3 tomatoes and 7 to 8 red chilies. In a pan filled half with water, I will add red chilies and then I will add tomatoes to it so that they can get boiled. But before adding to water, we will add a crisscross cut over the tomatoes, just like this. Repeat the same for other tomatoes as well and then let it boil. Boil it for about 10 to 15 minutes till your tomatoes and red chili become soft. And same goes for cabbage leaves. Till the time they are getting boiled, let's prepare the mix. For that, we will take a pan and we'll add 2 tablespoons of garlic butter to it. To this, we will add finely chopped ginger and garlic mix and saute them for a while. Add finely chopped green chilies to the mix. Once sauteed, we will add finely chopped onion to the mix. Here we have taken 2 small sized onion finely chopped. Once the onion is sauteed well, we will add finely grated cabbage to the mix. Make sure to grate the cabbage finely just like this. Now give it a good mix, saute a bit and then switch off the gas. Here our idea is not to cook the cabbage but to saute it a bit. Now we will add 100 grams of finely grated cottage cheese to the mix. And finally a handful of coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of red chili. Finally, sprinkle some chaat masala over it. Mix everything and your mixture is finally ready. Now it's time to take out the cabbage leaves. You will know that your leaves are done once they turn translucent just like this. So now it's time to take them out and drain the excess water. Look at the texture of the leaves guys. It should be soft and translucent, just like this. Parallelly, our tomatoes and chilies are also boiled, so we'll peel out the tomato skin and then add them into a jar so that we can make momos chutney. Here I am transferring the red chilies to the grinding jar. Then I will peel the tomato skin and add them to the grinding jar as well. This is the benefit of having cuts on tomato. You can easily peel them. To this, we are going to add 10 to 15 garlic cloves. Grind them to make a chutney. Add salt as per your taste. To add little bit of sweetness to the chutney, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of erythritol. It entirely depends on your choice. If you like hot and sweet ketchup just like me, you can go for it. Otherwise, you can totally omit it. And our momos chutney is ready. This is a multi-purpose chutney recipe that you can use in pizzas and lasagna as well. If you have checked my other videos of keto pizza and lasagna, you must have seen I am using a homemade red chili chutney. This recipe is for that. If you have not seen our video of keto pizza and lasagna, click on this I button. You will get to the keto playlist of our channel. Finally, let's start wrapping up our momos. We will start by cutting the cabbage leaves into two parts. In each half, I am going to add the mix that we created, just like this. On top of that mix, I am going to add little bit of grated cheese. If you are on a keto diet, it will help you to complete your macros. But if you are just looking for a healthy momos option, you can totally omit it. Now I am going to roll the cabbage leaves so that it can take momos shape. Look at this beauty. Isn't it amazing, guys? And I am going to repeat this process for other leaves as well. And once all momos are ready, we are going to pan fry them. Now we'll take a pan and we'll add butter to it. Then I'll put momos one by one on the pan so that they can be fried from one side first. Look at them, guys, aren't they difficult to resist? After a while, we will flip them so that they can be fried from the other side as well. Once done from both the sides, your yummy keto momos are ready, guys. Finally, time has come to transfer the momos from pan to plate. Finally, we can have our keto momos with keto chutney. We hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and family. If you are on a keto diet just like us, do try this amazing recipe and tag us on our Insta handle @kodos.cookbook. Do let us know in the comment section that which keto snack is your favorite. Also, let us know which recipe you would like to see next on our channel. We would love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in next video.